Hello friends, welcome to my channel BVFN. Today I am going to show you how to create an application with normal mode and dark mode on single click. As you see here on this screen that this application has in a normal mode. But when I click here, our user form interface has changed in dark mode. So let's begin to show how I created this application in Excel user form. Before I start, I would like to inform you that today's video will be in English because some of members has requested to create video in English. So I tried to make video in English. I request to all of you kindly watch the complete video. Let me know your opinion about my language. Is this understandable or not? As I am not very good in English, but due to demand, I have started. Also provide your feedback on this application. Is this method useful or not? If I received a good amount of interest and like on video, I will make the further video in English. So thanks in advance for watching this video and let's start. So I will show this method on our existing application which I was already created earlier. So you can see here I have added two buttons here. One is 1 and 2. One for normal mode and another for dark mode. Now what I have to do, basically how I created this button was created with the use of PowerPoint. So how I created, I have to show this. So I will open PowerPoint and see, basically I have created this button with the help of shape. How I created, just insert a shape. First shapes you take for the background, right? And this shape color should match with your user form color like this. Suppose that you are making a button for normal mode. Then I have to change this color white and also I have to change this outline as a white. Now I will take another shape like this. You can see here. So I will ungroup this. Now you can see this is for background. Basically this is made for what? Made for dark mode. So I have for dark mode, suppose that if I have click on this, then this background, if I have not keep the background black for the dark mode, then it will not look good. That is why I keep this shape color black. Now I have inserted another shape, created a design. You can design as per your taste. And then once you completed this button, just group this and export as a picture. And please note that this picture should be exported in JPG format. So you can see here I have already created dark mode button and for normal mode button. Right. So same thing you have to do. And for the normal mode, what you have to do, just ungroup and just select this, go to shape format and change this fill white and also fill this. If you want some gray, you just select the color as you want and just select all, group this button and go to shape format and rotate this, flip horizontal and then export as a picture. So you can see here, that is why I have created here two button, basically two image, not button, two image. Button will be created in the user form. So now what I have do, I have just inserted a image control here, right, and change the border style none, right, and then just select and go to the property and select the picture property and select your button whatever you want. Please remember, please don't change the picture size mode property. Keep as a picture size mode clip mode. So you have to use clip mode, because if you stretch this mode, what will happen, you can see here when I run this code. If I click on this, you can see here this white shade is displaying here. That is why what I have do, I have just the picture size mode as a clip mode and then set this accordingly. I have to just increase the height. So just check and increase the height. If everything is fine, then keep in the black mode and check there is no white balance. White color is showing, right? Now you just copy this and in this control you just go to the picture property and change the picture dark mode to normal mode, and you don't have to change the size here. And now you just select both of the control and right click and align center and then align middle. Then it will be aligned accordingly. And also please note that your normal mode should be on the top, right? Fine. Okay, so I have already created two buttons here. Now I will align this middle and align with center and keep in here. Keep the where you want as per your desire. Now need to write a code. So I will double click on this button name. Please note that you have to rename this control. Any name you can give. So I have given two names, one for normal and another for dark, right? What I will do, I will double click on this, but when you double click, it will be show before drag over event. So what I have to do, I have to just select till end and right here click and close. Okay, so what I have to do in the first, when I click on this, then this button should be hide, right? And your dark mode button should display. So what I will write? I will write me dot normal dot visual is equal to false and me dot dark dot visual is equal to true. So now when I click on this is not working. Why? Just go and check why not is. See why not this is not working, because I have written the code in the wrong event, drag over. So I have to just cut this code and paste it here, right, and run this. And when you click on this, see your white button and normal mode button has hide, your dark mode button has displayed. But when I click on the normal button, then first our user form back color should change, right? I will double click and write me dot back color is equal to VB black, right? Then this code will work as a change the back color of your user form. Now we need to change color of all control. That is why which function we will use? We will use each loop function. So I will write here for each control in me dot controls or close the loop. Now I will write, I will give a condition. Why? Because I don't want to change any color of this control, your button control. So I will write here, if control dot name is equal to normal or control dot name is equal to dark, then go to means next control. Close this. What I want, if the loop is running and control name found normal and dark, then between this code, if to end if, between this code should not run, right? So what I will do, I will write before, just before the next button. So I will write the comment next control and semicolon, right? For other control, I will change the font color of the all control. So I will write control dot for color is equal to VB white. This code will change the font color of all the controls. But you know, this code has common code for all the control. But for the border in some control has no need like command button. Suppose that in the command button, go in the user form and select the command button. But you will see there is no border style properties under the command button. So I have to give the condition here for the, I also want to change this border, control border in a white, right? But if I run the loop for entire control of the user form, then it will be display bug. Why? Because under the command button, there is no border style. That is why a error will be displayed. So I have to give the condition for the some control. Then I will give the condition if type name control is equal to command button, and please note that this spelling should be exact as per your control name, control type name. Like when you move the mouse here and you will see name of the control in yellow tag. See what is the spelling of C is capital, B is capital. So also you have to keep remember in mind for writing the code. Command button, then not equal to command button. If your control type is not a command button, then control dot border color equal to BBY, right? And then I have to close this end if. Now there is also a list box control in your user form. If in your user box has list box control, then you have to also give the condition for the list box. Now we will run this code and check the status key, how is it work. Now when I click on this, see your all the button has been changed, but we also need to change this text box and list box back color as a gray, right? You can also change simply black. So what I will do, I will just click on this and write there control dot back color equal to BB black, because I want, just to see, I also want to back color in the black mode. So just one click, see your all the application, all the control back color has changed in black. But you can see here there is no difference between your tag and your text box. So I want to change this color some difference. So what I will do, I will just go to this code and just change this code only. How? So see which color you want. Suppose that I want this color. So just select this code, copy this and paste this here and run this code. Now when you click on this, see your all the control has been changed. And one more thing, if you want change color as a gray only for text box, then what I have to do, just you go here and write this here, write a code, new code if condition. Just copy this, paste this, right here, change the command button to list box and then back color, control dot back color equal to BB black. Now you can see when you click on this, back color is not going to change. Why? Because you have to just copy this code and keep this after command button and just run this. What I am doing wrong? Because I am not changing this. I am saying if type name control is equal to list box, then control back color is equal to BB black. Okay, so when I click this, see your all the control has changed as per your coding. Now you can click and check all these are working fine. Now this is for the dark mode, but I also want to change when I click on this and when I again click on this, our application should change in a normal mode. So what I will do, nothing you have to do additionally. You just click on this and right here copy all these code and just paste anywhere in the BBM module and change the normal to dark, because your control name was dark, and all the code will be opposite. Like this is false, then I have to make this true. This is true, make a false. This is black, make it white, and this is white, then make it black. This is gray, it means I have to make this white, and this is white, then I have to change black, and everything will be opposite. Now when I run this code and click this is dark mode and this is your normal mode. That's it. Only you have to write code one time and just repeat the code with opposite condition. I hope you will find this video useful. If you like this, please share and like this video. धन्यवाद and मिलते हैं next video में.